Hello friends, welcome back to my channel 5 Minutes Solution. Hope so you are good. Friends, today I'll show you that without saving number, how to do chat or send messages on WhatsApp. Sometimes we want to send some messages to someone just for few times. On that case, you can use this trick, my friends. If you use this trick, receiver will not find your number and also you can chat with that person without saving number. So friends, to know the settings, please watch the whole video, and if you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel 5 Minutes Solution yet, please subscribe now and press the bell icon to get next notification about more videos on WhatsApp. Friends, for this you have to go on your internet browser from your mobile. Then you have to write here at the top wa.me/ then you have to write country code. Friends, normally in country code you will find 00 or plus sign, right? So you have to write here without 00 and also without plus sign, my friend. So my country code is 0088 or plus 88. So I'll write here only 88. After that I have to type the mobile number where I want to send the messages, my friend. So I'm typing now 0185106138, right? Like this, my friend. Then I have to press enter, my friend. Then you'll get an interface like this, my friend. I'll do a little bit zoom, my friend. Then I have to click continue to chat. So my friends, my WhatsApp is locked, so I want to unlock this one. I'm giving the password. Now it will directly open your WhatsApp, my friend. After that you can type your message, what you want to write. So I'm writing now, my friend. Like this, my friend. If you send the message like this, the receiver will not find your mobile number, my friends. So friends, like this you can do chat or send messages without saving mobile number. Friends, still if you have any confusion, please ask me in comment box. I'll try to give answer as soon as possible, my friends. Friends, if this video helpful to you, please like, share, comment and especially subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video, my friend. Take care.